Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, Dividend Passport Bro, with another video. Now today guys, as you guys can see, we at 169. Even though I said we're trying to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers, right, this month. Now it's a goal, but if that don't happen, I mean, we have next month to look forward to, right? We got November, October, November, December. So even if we make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, that's still good, even though the goal was to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers this month. All right, guys, remember, right? This channel, we make a video about investment, financial independence, retire early, and you can do the retire early or you can do the financial independence. We all work best for you, whichever you like, you can do it. Okay, guys. So one more thing, you guys know, right? All these videos are just made based on my experience. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, okay, guys? So thanks again for supporting the channel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for sharing the content. Now, I was looking in the back end, right? The watch hours on these videos, we almost at 300 watch hours, right? And with the very little subscriber we have, we're almost at 300 watch hours within less than 28 days, right? Since I started uploading content to this channel every day. So I appreciate you guys for sharing the content and watching the content and subscribing to the channel. So let's just get right into it, right? So today, the portfolio is up, right? Surprisingly, the portfolio is up because I was going to make two videos today, because when I log into my account this morning, right before the market opened, my portfolio was down. So I was like, okay, well, to look like it's going to be another red day. So I started putting in orders to buy. Now, as you can see, the portfolio ended up being up 0.22%, right? 0.22%. We made about $247.28 today. But if we go to orders, right? Let me move this over. If we go to orders, right, you can see I bought $2,000 worth of Misty. I bought $1,000 worth of Coney, right? Now I had other orders in here for like 1,000, 2,000, and stuff like that. I didn't get filled, and I was trying to sell $6,000 of this position that I own. I think like 8,000 or 9,000 I own in that, and I was trying to sell 7,000 of that, right, to kind of use that money for something else. But that didn't go through because it didn't get to where I needed to get to. But we still got some dividend that came in that was reinvested back into the portfolio. So, we got what, $900 came in from Coney, right? That's pretty good. And then I got another almost $2,000. No, sorry guys, I'm looking at the wrong thing. This is what we bought today. I'm tripping. This is what we bought. That's why I like to separate the stuff. Right? So this is what we bought today. $996.32. And then the Misty $1,986.45. Now, if we go down here to the dividend, that's what the dividend gave me. I am tripping, right? So we got agreed realtor. We got about $1.86. I don't even know how much position I have in this and what the yield on this, but those are one of the things I bought back in the day, and that pays lower yield, but that's a REIT. So, but and then we got the $7 to $8 from these guys right here for QDTE. So we got $7 to $8 that's reinvested, and then we got another next week. We'll get another $7 to $8, right? Because we'll probably get a little bit more since we're buying almost two shares right here. So next week we're gonna get more, and the next week we'll get more. It's gonna keep going up. But that's where we are. I mean, it's kind of funny. I'm sitting here laughing, But like I said, it is what it is, right? You guys can see it. So even if I say something wrong, y'all can see what I'm looking at. So it's not like I'm making the crap up. Okay, guys. So over here we're down today $58.27, which is not bad. And I also spend, I think, $3,000 or $4,000 over here too, because, like I said, I thought the market was going to be down, so I jumped in this morning. I started spending money. I was like, we don't want to to miss the point, right? Makes the stage. Now, as I'm making this video, let me see. As I'm making this video, the light just went out. So the power just went out, but I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep making this video, right? Because my computer is still on. I might not be able to click on no screen because I don't have internet. But as you guys can see, this is where we are right now. Let me see if I can go to my next screen. All right, so I couldn't buy here either because when I went to buy, I have problems with this account. It's still blocked. Maybe tomorrow I might be able to buy, but today I wasn't able to buy. Okay, the light just came back on. Okay, the air conditioner just made some noise. It's not going to come on because it's off. But the light just came out on. I'm waiting for the internet to come on. So, like I said, I'm going to continue to make this video. This is funny. I want to see how this is going to look after the fact, right? Oh my gosh, this is too much. So let's go to Robinhood, right? Because all these screens are already open. So even though I don't have internet, it's still in cache on my computer, so you guys can see it. If I try to go to another screen, it's just gonna buffer until something happened. This is the second time the light went out today. I was gonna say this earlier, right? I was gonna make this video earlier today, but we had a big old storm over here, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna make the video because I don't want to make the video and then the light go out. So luckily for me, since it's nighttime, I have both of my phones on each side shining the light on my face because the light over the head is too bright, and it makes my face real dark. Even though I was in the sun yesterday and got a little tan yesterday, but it make my face kind of dark, right? So you can kind of see I'm a little crispy over here. I didn't get burned, but I was in the sun yesterday. And so for now that I'm back home trying to make this video for you guys, and this happened, so I'm going to see how the video is going to turn out in that first little bit before the light went out. If it turned out okay, I'm just going to leave it like that, because I pretty much show you guys the information, right? I pretty much show you the information. Like you see, nothing here is all kaput. Now it's not working. So if I go here and go to status, I mean orders, right? That's order status I just went to. I think so. I'm still waiting for the internet to come back up. So until the internet come up, you guys can see right here, there's no internet. So until the internet comes up, that's probably going to just be spinning, right? So I didn't buy anything here today because when I check, internet just connected. So that's going to load. So when I check my stuff this morning, I couldn't sell anything, right? I couldn't sell anything. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to leave this alone. I paid too much money to sell, and my average buy was $1,899.20. Now it is at $2,200. So I made a few $100 difference, but I'm not gonna sell because of that. I mean, I don't really need to do it right now. I'm not gonna sell because of that. So I'm gonna leave it alone. Let it go up a little bit more. Let me go back to the order here. Come on, please, load up. I'm gonna refresh this one more time. And I didn't say nothing there. Come on. Well, I don't know if this has got to do with the interweb or what, but it's not coming up. So I'm refreshing one more time. If it don't come up, we're just gonna move past that. Let's see what they're loading. I go to my brokerage here. Let's see what they're gonna do. This thing went out a couple of times today, so. And the one thing I don't have in this property is like a backup power strip that at least will give you 30 minutes if the power goes out. I have that in my other apartment, but I don't have that here. So maybe tomorrow I'm gonna run out to Home Center. It's not connecting. So maybe tomorrow I'll run out to Home Center and see if I can price one. And if I can price one, I'll put it in the apartment. So, just like in Villavicencio, when I'm working and the power goes out, it gives me if the TV and stuff is plugged into that, that usually lasts 30 minutes. If the TV is not plugged into it, just the modem, that will give me a couple of hours. So, but you know, guys, this is where we are right now. And overall, the internet looked like it just went back out. Overall, we went up a couple of cents in income, right? We went up a couple of cents in income. And for some reason, I thought that the income, not the income, I thought the buys and stuff were gonna generate more money, but we will see the purchases that I did today, close to $6,000 between the two accounts. Let's see how much of a jump that's gonna push us out tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, when the account update, when it update in my thing, I'll see how much of a for growth we're gonna get, right? Maybe we'll go up another dollar, Maybe we'll go up $300 or $400 overall. I don't know. I have no idea. For the next 12 months, but this is where we are. I don't even want to click nothing else because if we go to income, let's see if it's low. Okay, I should have low. I don't know what's going on with the other stuff. So as you can see, we still the numbers still looking the same from where we were last week. So I mean the number still looks good. It's not bad, right? The goal is to get to 10,000 by December, and we're almost there, right? So next month the high is 850, right? So we're gonna need another $1,500 in high to get to that price, right? To get to the 10,000. But as you guys know, I like the low to be at 10,000, not just the other number, right? So we still got to come up with $3,000 over here to get this number to $3,000. So we might have to spend more money, but the investment is going through, and we got the other account E-Trade. So once the E-Trade get situated, now I still had this old stuff I bought back in the day. They still pay a little something, right? So we're gonna keep them in here, but I'm still waiting on E-Trade to allow me to buy some positions, so I can spend the $187 in here to buy some of my high yield positions. And with that $100-something, I mean, we should be getting close to $200. We should be getting close to $20 a month with that, with some high yield, maybe more. But I mean, every month that's gonna go up until once I add money to that, right? Every month that's gonna go up. Now I'm not gonna add a lot of money to this account. Maybe I'll say maybe $100, $200 a month. I'll be adding to this account, right? So, and just let it reinvest. That'll be the plan for this account. To grow another $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 account. And if I have 4 or 5 of these, 3 or 4 of these generating, and this is going to be another high yield. So this is not going to be like an account that have low yield. This is going to be another high yield portfolio, to generate income, right? At my retirement age, I need money, so I'm putting this in to generate income, and this is what we're gonna do. So if you plan to generate income, and you already in retirement, and you need an extra, you got some money that you can invest, or you got some money stashed up, or whatever you want to do. I mean, higher yield is the way to go because more risky, but it's gonna generate more income, and income is what you need to pay your bills, right? So guys, let's go back over here. So that's where we are right now, and when we go to future value in 10 years, this portfolio will be generating over $500,000. And let me see right here. So by the time it gets to, what is that? By the time it gets over here, 2029, right? This portfolio should be 2026, or that 2028. It should be close to a millionaire in liquid, right? So the goal is to have multiple millions, to be a multi-millionaire, not just one millionaire. So if when your money go down a little bit, and you become, you lose that status of become a millionaire. So it's good to have multiple millions um, in the market. Um, and of course, you guys know I'm still buying real estate. I'm not buying at a faster pace as I used to, but I'm still buying real estate throughout South America, and I'm planning on doing some projects in the U.S. in Atlanta. For the time I'm going to be there, 2-3 months at a time, maybe 6 months. It just depends on what I have going on. I don't have to be in Colombia or Dominican Republic. I can be anywhere and do my investing and make money. So guys, remember, you have to invest in your future. This is key to success, right? Because only you can do it for yourself. Ain't nobody else can do it for you. My goal here is to give you guys ideas and motivate you to invest in your future. Now, in the link below, I'm going to add my Airbnb that is in Colombia, the one I'm in right now. This Airbnb right here in Colombia, Cartagena, Colombia. Into the description. The Discord is in the description. We got a few people signed up for Discord. I appreciate you guys signing up for Discord, and we have had a few comments and stuff in the Discord. So exactly what I want is exactly what I'm getting. I don't know how to thank you guys for doing what you're doing, for the support and the love. We're gonna grow together, guys. You don't just ask questions, but you gotta take actions, right? Ask questions, you gotta take action. It don't cost you any money to set up your account. And once you set up your account, if that account allow you to buy a fractional share, don't say, oh, I want to wait till I get $200, $300. Put whatever minimum requirement in the account to get the benefits from that account. If it offers benefits, after that, stop buying what you want to buy. Start investing, right? Don't let the money sit there while you buying stuff. Now you have to buy something. And if you need help on how to do that, if I need to make a video, all the different platforms, all the platforms is different, but it's the same process, right? It's the same thing at buying limit order or buying market order, or going or trying to get us to buy something during the extended hours. So it's the same stuff, guys. Okay, you just have to try. You just got to do it. Okay, guys, we are here to support each other. And if you have questions and you post it in the Discord, if other people that have experience or want to chime in on the questions, even though the question might be directed to me per se, but you guys can chime in. This is why we created a Discord, so we can learn from each other. It's not just me providing answers, because my answers might not be what you want to hear, or might not be the best answer for you guys. Because you guys gotta remember, when I give answers, I'm not just giving answers based on what I'm doing. I'm giving answers that is safer for the individual. Now, if you want to do higher risk, you're welcome to do that. But I'm going to give you the answer that is best suited for safety, right? That you can sleep good at night and you don't have to worry about losing all your money, because people lose money in the market. That's why I don't day trade, because over 90% of day traders lose money, right? I don't day trade. I'm a dividend investor, right? I don't do options, because Yield Max, round here, all these guys, they do options for me. Dividend, they do the option stuff for me, because I don't have the patience to be monitoring that stuff. I put my money in there, I buy what they offer, and they do that for me. Okay, guys. So if you want to do options and spend the time, you're probably making the same money you're gonna be making with these guys, and it's less stress, and you don't have to worry about it. I promise. Okay, but you still have to do your due diligence. Okay, you still have to look into it. You still have to investigate. Okay, guys. Now I love you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. And I hope I don't have to redo this video, and I'm already 20 minutes into this video, guys. So have a good Monday. Still blessed. Love you guys. Peace.